Hello everyone, and today I will be installing my OEM front license plate bracket to the front of my 2020 Toyota Tacoma. I decided to do this video because I cannot find any, so you know what? I'm gonna put one on YouTube and show everyone how to do it. So this is my first video. Excuse me for the poor video skills, but I'm gonna show you the best way I can. All right, let's get to it. So with my truck, and this is the SR5, my truck, it came with the bracket and all my screws, like so. And it gives you directions for the screws, which are pretty straightforward. I mean, take an idiot to really mess it up. Nevertheless, let's get to it. So I'm gonna set this right here. We have to get something a little bit more sturdier. If it falls, I'm sorry, I'll get some sturdy. So the first set of directions says align the license plate. So it's gonna go like this. Align the license plate with the dimples in the truck, in the bumper of the truck. So here are dimples in the bumper of the truck. You're gonna take your long shelf screw, which is gonna be this one right here. Your long shelf screw. So I'm gonna line it up first. Make sure it's in, because you really don't want to mess this up. At least I don't want to. I plan on doing a lot to this truck, so I want to make sure stuff is squared away. So, and it literally just wants you to twist it. It says do not drill. So you may have to hold it. Take your screwdriver like so. And literally just ease your way into the bumper of the truck. Do not drill. It says that at the bottom. And one thing I just want to check is to ensure that I'm in the dimple. And it feels like I am, because my nail ain't going nowhere. But there's nothing wrong with coming out. Check. So yes, I was in the dimple. And it's just me doing this. So excuse me as I try to figure it out. So, yep. And it's a perfect sunny day. Ready now, trying to go. And my directions are deciding to fly away. Okay, I think we're in now. Ooh. Tell me that's gonna take some work. Some forearm strength, but you see it's finally going down. So all your screws that you need to install this thing come with it. Also, I had some stuff on it, so I just did a quick wipe down of it, just to make it appear a little bit more clean. They said don't over tighten, but you want it to be flush. I'm not gonna tighten it too, so that I can get the other one in. So as you can see, I got that one in. I haven't fully tightened it all the way down. I'm not gonna drill it down. It's here. It's in. Kind of looks loose because it's not in there completely. So now I'm gonna take my second screw. You can hold there for a second. Give me a second to readjust everything so I get you guys a little closer. Sorry about all the movement. This happens when you use your phone. Now I just gotta get to this stick. Okay. Hopefully that stays like that. If it doesn't, I'm sorry. I will readjust. Alright, so I take my other long end screw that comes with it. I line it up to the dimple in the truck. Now looks like that's pretty lined up. And then with a little bit of pressure along with your twisting, you should be able to get it in there. It takes some elbow grease. Let's see. Everybody's home and out amid the coronavirus, so I'm gonna check. Okay, I'm in the hole, so yeah, that's what she said, right? I don't want to poke a hole, but I'm just trying to turn. This is giving me just as much trouble as the first one did. Check was took me a while to get in, so now I'm just trying to tighten it down. So I don't. Last thing it says, I don't want to tighten it too much. It's enough just to hand tighten. The bumper of the truck will hold it, so it's gonna flap because there are no screws down there. Let me show you. See, there are no screws down there. But yeah, there she is. I'm afar. I have a license plate coming in, and all you gotta do is. So I'm just checking one more time. Just make sure they're in there really good. Sorry, my finger. go. And then all you gotta do is when your license plate come in, you take it, you slide your plate in to those grooves right there, and then you take, drop one, take your shorter screw, like so. You line it up, you line your license plate up with this hole and this hole. And then you take the shorter screw, you drill it through the license plate, and you put it through the license plate into the bracket, and you twist the same thing. See, it's already stuck in there. It'll go in there. And that, guys, is how you install your license plates for Toyota Tacoma. I don't know if any other versions of the vehicle are like this, but this is a 2020 Toyota Tacoma SR5. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there. Wash your hands, wash your ass. Later.